pictures coming in from the house at this point in time. Live visuals. You can see the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, along with top leaders of the Congress party and the other members of the opposition. MP from Wayanad, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is there. We also see representation from other members of parliament apart from the Congress party. Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, is also there. The sitting, or rather right now at a protest in parliament. You can see similar scenes when they go inside the house as well, when the session begins in roughly about 13 minutes from now. This has got to do with questions that the opposition has been continuously raising over the electoral roll revision, saying that we are okay in principle with this exercise, but the timing of this is suspect. Not just that, the time given to do this exercise, to complete this exercise, is also questionable. It's extremely inconvenient, is what the opposition collectively has been saying. It's Bihar now, it could be West Bengal. The next time is the concern that the Trinamool Congress has particularly made. Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Rahul Gandhi, along with the other members of the opposition across political lines of the India bloc, on a protest today. This has been ongoing ever since the session of parliament started. As a result of it, the house has been barely functioning, with sloganeering seen outside and inside parliament. Pictures are from parliament at this point in time, where there is a protest that has once again been organized by the opposition collectively, raising objections to the electoral roll revision process, which is already, remember, a matter pending in court. We can see members of the opposition, apart from the Congress party, raising questions. In fact, we'll also play out what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said earlier, saying that the government must answer our questions. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said the protest can end when our questions are answered. However, the government has been clear about the fact that this isn't a matter that is going to be discussed in the House because it simply doesn't concern them. It's within the purview of the Election Commission of India. A look at the report sent by my colleague Piyush Mishra.
The opposition political parties continue to march inside and outside the parliament on the issue of SIR. Right behind me, you can see the visuals of Rahul Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Ram Gopal Yadav, and various other leaders of India bloc who are protesting on the issue of SIR. They are raising the slogans like SIR वापस लो, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी. So this is the issue which the India bloc has been raising in the last many days, and they have been demanding that government must answer on this and must take this back. On the other side, the government has multiple times made it very clear that SIR is an issue.
और वो खुद ये चाहते हैं कि एलाइट लोग ही वोट देना. जब अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज इस देश में लाया गया, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी, डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर, इन्होंने कहा कि अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज इस देश के लिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इस देश में पढ़े लिखे लोग कम हैं, खेती बाड़ी के लोग भी कम हैं और बिजनेस करने वाले कम हैं और एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी गरीबों के पास नहीं है. इसीलिए हमको किसी को डिनाई न करते हुए हम लोग उन सभी को पावर देना चाहिए. एक झाड़ू मारने वाला भी हो या इस देश में टाटा, बिरला या अदानी, अंबानी जैसे लोग भी हो, सबको बराबरी का वोटिंग होना चाहिए. लेकिन ये लोग डर के मारे आज ये रिवाइज करने की जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बुरी बात है. इससे देश का भी नुकसान होता है और लोकतंत्र का नुकसान होता है. और संविधान के तहत ये लोग नहीं चल रहे. वो अपने हुकूमत को बचाने के लिए बहुत से चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये ठीक नहीं है. आज उन्होंने एक सर्कुलर निकाला, सिर्फ ये बिहार के लिए नहीं है, सारे देश में वो रिवीजन करेंगे, तो ये ठीक नहीं.
सर, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर जो कह रहे हैं कि बेसलेस एलिगेशन राहुल गांधी लगा रहे हैं, जब राहुल गांधी ने कर्नाटका का इशू उठाया तो.
All right, so you heard there from the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also talking about this entire matter. Expect another stormy day in Parliament as there is no resolution to this.
वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ मानेंगे
Raising these concerns about the electoral rule revision. The matter, remember, is in Parliament, in fact, is in Supreme Court as well. Samajwadi Party MPs on your screens at this point in time, along with the other Congress MPs, the Trinamool Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party. We have, in fact, MPs across the political spectrum belonging to the India bloc joining again against, in fact, in these against the government in these protests. The allegation, of course, has been that the Election Commission of India is doing this at the behest of the ruling BJP at the centre. This has been a refrain